Hi guys, I've got some horizontal blinds here that I picked up at a thrift store. They're brand new right out of the box and got a pretty good deal on them, even though they're a little too long. Thought I could cut them off to the size that I need. They're Levolor blinds. They have a metal head rail, and the slats here are supposed to be wood. Let's see. A 36 by 64. I needed two blinds, 35 inch each. I needed two of them. So these are both 36, so I'm going to cut an inch off of each one of them. So that's what the video is on today, how to shorten blinds, how to cut them. Now I'm kind of playing this, by ear here. I've got 3 saws and haven't determined which one I'm going to use yet. Definitely going to need a hacksaw for the metal yet there, but I'm going to measure these to begin with, and I'm going to cut probably on this side here. I want the wand here to be towards the center of the window. I want my cut to be towards the window jamb here, just in case I don't do a very good job. It won't be that noticeable. So that's kind of the idea. I'm going to grab a pencil and measuring tape here and measure an inch off of this side. All right, not the best line, but I think we can work with that. I'm going to make sure that I cut the inside of this line, but wanted to make sure that the tape was touching most of the slats, if not all of them. Going to have to cut through the metal here. Probably take this little cap off so that I don't mess it up. It'll probably come off anyway once I start sawing. I've got to saw through this metal piece here, and yeah, pretty secure. Everything looks good so far. So let's go downstairs where I'm going to do the cutting and find my saws and start doing it, guys. So here's the setup, working off an old utility ladder. I've got clamps clamped on the blinds, the head rail there, and onto the ladder. You can see that right here. I'm cutting on the edge here. The saws that I have a wood saw. It's dull, so I don't know how much I'll be able to use it. Got a reciprocating saw here. This has a metal blade for cutting metal, so could probably cut some of the wood slats if I need to. I'm not going to use this on the metal rail. And I have a hacksaw here, and this is a metal blade in here. I think I'll probably be using this most of the time here. And if you have PVC blinds, I would say a hacksaw or even a wood saw. Any one of these saws would probably work pretty well. The reciprocating saw, you really have to be able to control it, and you really have to have have your piece clamped down or held down, because you're going to need two hands for that saw in most cases. If you have a vise, that would be good. You could probably use that saw as well. One thing about the reciprocating saw, this is so flimsy here, I'm afraid it'll do more damage than good. So probably go with the hacksaw, see how far I can go with that, and I'll decide on the slats here later. let it cut. I'm just going to file some of these rough edges off. And put my end cap on now. And pretty much finished. I can just clean up a little bit here, and then I can hang the blinds. Here's a look at the blinds after I put them up. Now I haven't put the valance up there yet, but I think they turned out pretty good. There's good space in between them. I'm able to open and close them and not have any problems. Let me show you the cuts here. Wands were going to be on the right side, so I wasn't able to have both here in the center. But here's the cut on this side here. May even still be some sawdust on these, but yeah, you really can't tell. That end bracket covers any kind of saw cuts or scratches that I had. So let's take a look at the other side. Got good space here between. So if you find blinds that you really like that are a little too long, you can cut them off. Hope this video has been helpful for that. Biggest tip when cutting the blinds would be to make sure you have the right saw for the job and make sure that your blade is sharp. That does it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you have a great day and take care.